Hi everybody, this is Robert Greenstreet at Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you how to work with your one-and-one custom domain to get it connected to your KW website powered by Placester. First thing is to get logged into oneandone.com, and then over on the left we'll click on Domains, and then on the domain that you want to work with, over on the right we'll click on our settings gear, and we're going to click on the bottom one in that menu that drops down, which is DNS settings. Once we're here in the DNS settings, we want to make sure that under name server settings, the one-and-one name servers are selected. If you have other name servers selected here, double check that the email through your custom domain might not be affecting that. It needs to stay there. Or if you have moved this domain from an old website that you're not using anymore and you're wanting to use it on your new KW website powered by Placester, you would want to switch it back to the one-on-one servers. Once you've got that switch made, we're going to scroll down to the A/quadruple A records here. And instead of one-and-one IP address, we actually want to do other IP address. And in this first box here, we're going to put in Placester's IP, which is this 184.169.141.142. If you need to pause the video to type that in there, you're welcome to. Let me zoom in a little bit to show you that. Again, it's 184.169.141.142. Once we've got that in there, we have to scroll down here and see where it says to use your domain with a third-party application, set a CNAME record for a subdomain. That's exactly what we need to do. This is a little bit different from other domain providers like GoDaddy and some of the others where you can just do this directly with the domain. We actually have to create a subdomain. And it's asking whether we want to leave this page. We want to tell it no. Scroll down to the bottom and make sure to save. Tell it yes, we want to modify the DNS settings. And it's going to take us back to the list of our domains, and we're going to expand out the one that we're working on, and we'll manage subdomain. And we're going to create a subdomain of www. We're going to put www in there, create subdomain. Now that's been created. Now we'll be working in the DNS for the www subdomain of realtoraussie.com. And all we'll need to do really is come to this A/quadruple-A and CNAME records. This is different from where we were in the main realtoraussie.com one there. We're going to switch this to CNAME, and then in this alias, we're going to paste in domains.myrealestateplatform.com. That's domains, plural, with an S at the end, .myrealestateplatform.com. There's no S at the end of platform. Domains.myrealestateplatform.com. And we also want to check this box that says I'm aware and accept that all current DNS settings, blah, 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 will be disabled. And then we'll click Save. And yes, we are sure that we want to modify the DNS settings. So that's been successfully updated. And then the last step will be to add that domain to your KW website. So we'll make sure that we're logged into mykw.kw.com, and up in the top black menu, hover over Technology, then click KW Websites, and then we're going to click Go to my website. And then once that loads, we're going to go Edit Site on the left, and we're going to scroll down to the Custom Domain section, and in here we're going to put in our full www. And then your custom domain.com. And you do need to include the www. Most places across the internet you don't have to, but it is required in this spot. Then we'll do add domain and save. And then once that saves, theoretically, if we've done everything correctly, when we click on View Live Site, it should take us to our website. Now, we've experienced before in the past that sometimes the one-on-one domains take some time to get all that DNS settings updated, and for it to show here, some time did pass here. So you may need to wait on that for up to 12 hours. If you have any questions about that, feel free to shoot us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.